Hi everyone and welcome back. It's me, Marquita, with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to speak on some cancellations that we were not expecting and also a few prices on some new releases that are coming out this fall. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that off the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. You're gonna need the wine.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, besties, so we have a lot to go over. I have my handy dandy notebook. I am going to stay on topic. I actually am going to do another video tomorrow. I had to break this up or this video will be absolutely long. As stated, I am going to stay on topic and we are going to first start with the summer handbag. The summer BB handbag was released in monogram and vachetta on Friday. I want to come and bring you some more information. On yesterday's video, I told you guys that it will come out also in leather. I wasn't sure which leather, if it was going to be epi leather or empreinte leather. I was honestly hoping for empreinte leather in all black with gold hardware. It's coming out in epi leather in the BB size. If you are a new subby, if you are new to the Louis Vuitton community, this is epi leather. And I know some of you guys are like, hey Marquita, I know what epi leather is, but you would be surprised. So let's welcome our new, members to the LV community. This is epi leather. If you are into quiet luxury, I think the summer BB in epi leather will be perfect for you. Honestly, oh man. Like I said, my heart kind of just, but again, it's okay. It's not coming out in the empreinte leather, epi leather in the color black. I think that is still going to be a hot handbag, but the only thing I am thinking about is with the epi leather, the structure of the handbag isn't as giving. It's structured pretty hard and you really can't get too much in. Like the canvas, you can kind of squeeze and wiggle some items in. The canvas kind of stretched to fitting. But with the epi leather, it's not the same. And so with the summer BB being such a small handbag already, why would they do it in epi leather? That's the only part I didn't understand. I think the empreinte leather would have set that off. It would have actually been the perfect handbag if you didn't want monogram and vachetta. Again, I'm just saying, and this is the empreinte leather. So just picture the summer BB, not in the giant print. We don't want the giant print. Just picture the summer BB in empreinte leather, black empreinte leather. Not this side. I just wanted to show you guys. And this is the first empreinte handbag I saw, so I grabbed. So epi leather in black is not coming out in the empreinte. So I just wanted to make that clear. Also, the summer handbag is coming out in the MM size and the GM size in monogram. I haven't heard if it was coming out in epi leather. I'm pretty sure in the MM size and the GM size, it wouldn't be epi leather or even empreinte leather. If you wanted a bigger summer handbag, which I did, I wanted in a larger size, but not the MM size or the GM size. I would have went for like a PM size, but LV, they do their own thing. They actually had the summer MM and the summer GM. I believe it was in 2006 or 2007 and it was discontinued and they bought it back. They reproduced again in 2012. But here are pictures here of the MM size and the GM size. And I honestly got these pictures from Google. I have seen this handbag around a lot. In this vintage look, I've seen it a lot. I've seen it around, and it's big. It's huge. So I'm not sure if I would even go for the MM or the GM. I am just here to share. So the summer handbag is coming out in the BB size in epi leather in the color black. The summer handbag in monogram is coming out in the MM and also the GM for those that wanted a larger summer handbag. Moving on, the Atlantis handbag. I want to cry, but I'm staying strong. I have to stay strong for you guys. This is the information that I have received so far. The Atlantis handbag is not a PM. Let's get that straight. I was corrected. In the lookbook that I received in May, it stated PM, as you guys can see here. It's not PM, it's Atlantis BB, which is smaller than a PM. Okay? It's coming out in reverse monogram. Reverse monogram. We all knew this. Black leather, also a black longer strap is included for a crossbody. Is canceled in the leather. For the Atlantis BB, we will not get the cream in leather. Canceled. It is not releasing, okay? This is what I want to share about the Atlantis PM in reverse monogram. The price, it is stated to be $3,100 as of right now. $3,100 for the Atlantis BB. The Atlantis BB, just picture it being this size. I think this is the perfect comparison. I tried to find something else in my collection, and this is reverse monogram. Black leather, okay? It comes with black leather strap. This is exactly how I picture the Atlantis size. The price is $3,100 before tax. Canvas in a BB size being $3,100. A canvas handbag being a BB size, $3,100. Just keep repeating that to yourself, okay? Going back to my notes. The Atlantis MM. I kind of figured this. It does show in the lookbook. Again, I received this in May. So it does show Atlantis MM. As you guys can see, it shows reverse monogram and also monogram. Let's cross that out. An Atlantis MM is not coming out. It's the Atlantis GM. If you go back and watch my short that I did on yesterday, Bessies, look how large this Atlantis is. I'm convinced this is not an MM. This has to be a GM size. My CA sent me some videos of the runway, and I was like, this can't be an MM. This is too big. It can't be an MM, because if this is an MM, I wanted to see how big a GM would be. And guys, that's the GM. So the Atlantis MM is not coming out. It's an Atlantis BB or an Atlantis GM. You have a choice to make. The Atlantis GM, as of right now, it shows $3,450. Now, where I am confused, I could see, and I really still can't see because it's a canvas handbag, the BB size being $3,100 and then the GM size being $3,450. Why are we purchasing canvas handbags that are over $2,500? The size difference from a BB and a GM, and the price difference is only $350. The BB should have been, what, $2,500, $2,200. Between $2,200 and $2,500, the BB size, okay. And MM size, $2,800. Not even that much. But the GM size shouldn't be over $3,000. I'm just saying. I know it's a lot of canvas that you're using, plastic, but hey, $3,450 for the Atlantis handbag in the GM size. I hate to bring this news, but I had to share. I had to tell you. More information is coming via text message. I'm receiving a lot of information. Some of you guys, I receive emails. Do I work for Louis Vuitton? No, I don't. Do I have some key pieces, key sources to some information from higher up? Yes, I do. Do I have more than one CA that I speak to? I tell you guys this. And I also tell you if information is wrong or if information is correct. Like I said, I will be speaking later this week on other items that are coming out. A lot of you are asking me about the nano armor in monogram. Yes, it is coming out. But like I said, let's stay on topic. I wanted to share that information with you. So we went over the summer in the BB size, coming out in black epi leather. It's also coming out in monogram, MM and GM size. The Atlantis handbag, no longer the PM, it's the BB size. $3,100 in reverse monogram. It is not coming out in leather, the cream. The price, $3,100. The Atlantis MM, that's cut. It's the Atlantis GM in monogram. Also, let me state that it's coming out in monogram, not reverse monogram. So in the GM size, it's only monogram, and that is $3,450. Also, it's a lot of information going around saying the Atlantis handbag in different colors are not coming out. They're canceled. Yes, I saw the spreadsheet. I received some information, and some information that's on there isn't the same as my information. So when they state that it's color, I want to be certain that they are speaking of the leather handbags, because I was told that the cream Atlantis GM is still coming out in January. I heard the black leather in the Atlantis GM is that's canceled. Okay, so let me state that again. The Atlantis GM, I heard in the black leather is canceled, but the cream in monogram is coming out in January. That's what I'm told. It's so much that's coming out. Like I said, I am going to go over everything throughout the week. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comments. You can also, visit me on Instagram and go slide in my DMs like some of you guys do. And if you have some information to share, feel free, come in my DMs, share it with me. I love speaking with you guys. But as of right now, let's take the information that I provided today and let's see, are we still going to purchase the canvas handbags for $3,100, $3,500 almost? Let me know what you think. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.